My ambition was to go for a degree which was a bit different from the rest of the other degrees, and I wanted to pursue a degree which had a global acceptance like ACCA has. Sir interacts with each student. He takes updates from them. How are they doing? And firstly, he always starts the class by solving the doubts of his students, and then only we move ahead with the syllabus. Hello everyone, I am Varidhi Kajaria. I am currently studying at St. Xavier's College, Autonomous, Kolkata, a final year student. I have completed ACCA knowledge level and 2 papers from skill level. My ACCA journey started from January 2023. Currently, I am doing an internship at Sumedha Fiscals Private Limited under the role of investment banker. Regarding ACCA, as I said, I have completed in total, I've completed 5 papers, and I'm planning to complete more 4 papers till my 3rd year, and I'll be completing 9 papers till my 3rd year. After that, I have planned to go for a job for getting a work experience, and during that I'll be completing my ACCA, the rest of the 4 papers in those 2 years, or maybe the 1 year, because the exams are conducted quarterly. My ambition was to go for a degree which was a bit different from the rest of the other degrees, and I wanted to pursue a degree which had a global acceptance like ACCA has been recognized globally by 190 countries, which gives me an easy access to the other countries as well, maybe for doing a job or maybe for understanding their work culture. So that is why I chose ACCA, and I always had an interest in accounts and financial subjects, which made me choose this course. I got to know about Seraph Academy from Google itself. I took 2-3 demo classes from other institutes as well, and even from Prakash sir, as he gives his first class as a demo class. So in the very first class, I understood that how sir has a very broad perspective. I spoke to him about everything, about my college timings, about maintaining college and ACCA. So he has always helped me with it, and I would say that he knows each and every part of his students, like where the students could cut slack or where the student might lag, and he makes sure that the students improve in those areas, and he also helps throughout the journey of giving one paper at a time and moving ahead in the ACCA journey. So yes, sir classes, like the online classes which sir takes, the live classes especially, those they are very fun because sir gives a lot of practical knowledge as well. It's not constrained to theoretical knowledge or the bookish knowledge which is often said, but sir interacts with each student. He takes updates from them, how are they doing, and firstly he always starts the class by solving the doubts of his students, and then only we move ahead with the syllabus and in that subject. And I chose Seraph Academy especially because apart from sir, the team over here who helps from the registration to daily queries to any kind of software problems, and everyone, the staff here are very cooperative and collaborative, and they help us throughout. As I said, ACCA is comparatively a new degree, not even a new degree, but people are less aware of this of the same. So I really was skeptical about doing this degree, but I wanted to pursue it even. So I spoke to sir, I told him my concerns, my queries, and he told me that whatever degree I'm doing and whatever academic related studies I'm doing, everything will be fruitful. And he showed me that how ACCA has a lot of opportunities in India as well and abroad. Obviously, I would recommend doing ACCA if you want to really indulge into studies and also want an global exposure. So I would say ACCA is a very perfect degree for that, and ACCA has a very all-round approach. It helps to learn accounts, it helps you to learn finance, it helps you to learn commerce, law, and it covers every aspect of the corporate subjects, and it is more practical in nature rather than theoretical. So I would say it's a very fun learning degree to do. And if you really like this video, I would recommend you to like, share and subscribe.